Hey everybody, it's Randy with 380 Power Wash. We are out here in Denton, Texas, taking care of a new customer of ours that we just picked up. They had somebody else taking care of the shopping center, and there's like a lot of etch marks and that kind of stuff in the sidewalk, and so now we're taking care of it. We got them on contract to be able to start doing it on a regular basis. So let me turn this camera around and show y'all what's going on. You can see cave is right over there. We've already got this half soaked down, and then we're about right there at the sprout door. And then we're going here and then going around on this side as well. We've already got done. Basically going to go all the way down through here, all the way around through Sprouts and on the other side of the shopping center, and then turn on the other side and go back to where the Domino's is at. So we're moving right along. As you can see, we've already went through here and got all this area at least surface cleaned. We're still gonna have to go back and, you know, pop off the gum and right over there. Basically got down to where Gabe's at right now, so moving right along. As you can see right through here, I mean, there's etch marks all over this thing. We just picked up this account. I had somebody else that was doing it before, so can't really do anything about the edge marks, but we'll make it look the best we can. As you can see right here, there's, you know, bird droppings that were washing up underneath these awnings, and got a little friend up there getting all these sidewalks and everything done. All right, everybody, well, we got this side surface clean all the way down to that corner there. Gabe is now going back through. We're getting all of the underneath the awnings on this side. We've already got all of these. Now we're about to turn the heat back on and go through here and pop off this gum and rinse it down. We're moving to our last side. All right, everybody, we got this last side done. You can see. Here's one thing that we like to do is every time that we do the sidewalks, we make sure to rinse down, go all the way out to the curb line. And then also like parking spots and stuff, we rinse all them out as well, just to make sure that, you know, we're not leaving a dirt trail just following the building. All right, everybody, we got everything taken care of on this one. So we are about to be heading over to our next job for the evening. If you need us, give us a call, 940-218-5777. This is Randy with 380 Power Wash, and we'd love to have you as a customer. We service all of DFW and surrounding areas, so if you need a team that's going to come out and take care of your property, give us a call. We'd love to help. Have a good night.